everyone, today I'm going to be putting together an arrangement of this succulent right here. It is a artificial succulent plant and there are 7 pieces. I got it off of Amazon and these are all the different succulents that it comes with. And I just have a plain vase here. I like the square shape, and then I got some rocks that I just picked out. These were free, just gathered up some rocks and I just put them in this baggie here that I had available. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Take all the succulents out. So I think I'm going to start with the largest piece, which is this one, and then work my way around. So this vase is a little bit too small for all these, but I think it'll work. I'm going to try it out. So what I'm going to do is take my rocks. I'm going to kind of stand the centerpiece up in the middle so it has something to stand up on. And just start adding them like that, and then I'll kind of arrange them as I go along. So I have all the big pieces in. I just have these little pieces now to place. They don't necessarily have to be in the rock, but maybe just as far down as they can go because the stems are short. Put that one right there. And then this one maybe right here, kind of sticking up a little. So it looks kind of like that. So I switched this one and this one around. This big one was supposed to be my center, but it got moved around a little bit, so I put this one back over here. I think I want this side to be the front, facing out this way. And so that's what the top looks like. I put, since the red piece is here, I put the little red one over here and then the other little green one just sticking out on this side. The reason I got the artificial succulent is because I learned that some actual succulents are toxic to cats. So that's one thing I always research when I look for plants, is that factor. So yeah, for now this will do. I'm not an expert, but yeah, it's pretty simple, especially when you buy. There's plenty of these available online. I'll link this one below. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.